In this video, I'm gonna show you how to type proportional symbol in Microsoft Word. So there are some methods to type this symbol. First one, insert, then equation. And here guys, you will see this symbol in this first line of equation. Just select it. You can make changes as your need and requirement. So this is the first method. Second one, insert symbol, more symbols, and here font select normal text and subset select mathematical operators. Once you click on this drop down, so you will find this one. And here you need to find out this symbol, more symbols, and in font select Cambria Math and subset select mathematical operator. So select this mathematical operators and select this symbol proportional to, then insert, and make sure this is the character code 221D, and this is the shortcut key 221D, then insert, and want to insert via shortcut, so 221D. Now press and hold Alt and press X, so you can type this symbol. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.